Welcome back to part 2 of feedback. In this one, we are going to explore the different functions that are within the feedback portal. So in the first one, we looked at how to create feedback. So once you have feedback, it has been sent to you as the admin, or you're the one who created it. You still have a number of options that you can use to manage it. Number one, if you've been going through the different feedbacks that have been sent and you'd like to mark them so that next time you are reading you can know the new from the old one, you can simply tick on this blue button and it will be ticking those ones as read. So the next time you are going through the feedback, you can be seeing the ones that you have read and the ones that are not yet read. Number two, in the feedback card, as you can see, the feedback is always going to be on the first thing you say, followed by the hashtag, followed by the date and time when the feedback was created. And then when you click on this information icon, it shows you the creator, the information about the individual that posted in the feedback. So apart from that, we have the comment section, which you can simply activate by clicking on this thread icon, and you can type in any comment that you want and you send. So this is a quick overview of the comment section, but if you would like to really go deep into this and access it well, you can just simply long press on any of the cards and it will be able to open that, and then you can be able to go ahead and add your comments. So when you are on this, you can add comments, you can add attachments the way you want, and you can also be receiving the comments that are coming in even without refreshing this page. As long as you're on this page, new comments come in, they will be reflecting in real time. So that is the comment part, and as you can see, for new comments they are normally in red, and then the ones that you have already seen are in gray. So if you have already read the comments, they will be looking like this, and if you have some comments that you haven't read, they will be coming in the red section. So you can simply navigate from here, or you can long press to open the entire feedback in a new window. That is about comments. So the important thing about the comment section is that we can have all the follow-up information about the feedback just contained within the feedback itself. Then we have the timeline. So the timeline is interesting because this shows us from the time the issue was created. This white rod shows you the timelines for the feedback. So you can see this was created 5 days and 6 hours ago and is still ongoing, and any intervention in between, it will be showing you. So for example, after 5 days and 2 hours, someone added a comment, John. After 5 days and 6 hours, Julius added a comment. So anything that was done in that, you will be seeing, and you know when that was done. So this is very interesting. And when the action or the feedback is closed, it will show you the turnaround time from when the feedback was created to when it was closed. The other one is on sharing. So the sharing, basically this is about if you want to share this in WhatsApp in a text format, you can just click on sharing. This works like any other sharing. In terms of tagging, assuming we've gotten this feedback, and now I would like to derive an action and assign it to my team member, I can simply say maybe follow up on this issue, and then I can simply assign it to someone in the team. I can give it a deadline and I'm able to tag. So once I do that, now it changes from tag to action, and if I click on it, it will show me the action and the individual that was tagged and the deadline. For reminder, assuming you are the one who has sent it from outside, you have the option to remind, so you can simply tap. If you want to write a custom message, you can write, or if you simply want to remind, you can click on send and it will be able to remind them. So for every reminder that is sent, of course it didn't show the notification because I'm the one reminding, but the administrators and the team members are able to get the notification. But this also works in an interesting way, because our algorithm here will be bringing on top anything that has something like a reminder, a comment. So if you have anything new, for example, a reminder, when the admin next comes in, they will be finding all those actions that have comments, that have reminders, to be the first thing on top. So apart from that, uh, if the feedback issue has been worked on and you are the administrator, you have the option of crossing it. So if you're the one who had created it and you cross it, it brings you an interesting thing. But even if you're not the one who had created it, if I'm the admin and I got this feedback from out and the issue was worked on and I cross it, then the individual that sent the feedback is given the notification telling them that the issue has been resolved, and when they come to that issue, they have the ability to rate it. So rating it is giving us feedback on how the issue was worked on. So they can give us either only the rating or they can add a comment on that, and this can be very helpful. This is what we use to aggregate and come up with the averages. As you can see, the average rating that is shown on the top. Then in the green here, it shows you the date when the action was crossed. So you have when the action was created and you have when the action was crossed. And when you come back to our timeline, now you can see that it has been crossed after 13 days and 20 hours. So for each crossed issue, it would show you when it was crossed, after how long did it take to be crossed. So other interesting things, like I've said, let's go back to pending. If you have the different hashtags, then you can now be able to sort your feedback using those different hashtags. So if I come to info, it will load for me all the feedback that have info. If I come to inquiry, it will show me all the feedbacks that we are having the hashtag of inquiry. The other thing you can do, you can also be able to search by different search terms. So for example, I want any feedback that has the word work in it. So as you can see, it is able to bring for me the two feedbacks that have the word work within them. If you want to refresh, you can then use the refresh window, I mean the refresh button, and then it will be able to refresh for you the page. So I think this is it about the feedback, and thank you.